Pico fans, this is Ruth with Pico, and I have a Jobe Valves Rojo Compact Float Valve. This is actually a DLT, or a detached long tail version, with me here, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. It does not come assembled when you purchase it. These valves are used in tanks, automatic waterers. They can have a 3/4 inch or a 1/2 inch fixture here to accommodate any of the automatic waterers, but keep in mind that this compact version is a low flow type situation. So it only pumps out about 2 gallons a minute, which makes it ideal for smaller herds. It's certainly, the compact version is not something you want to place in a situation where you have a lot of head drinking, because it just won't keep up with it. But the long tail, these are available without the long tail, but if you want this washer and this attachment on the end, then look for the DLT or the long tail. That allows you to go ahead and fix it into your tank and then position it into place with a seal with this washer here, so that you don't have the water leaking. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble this, and then I'm going to show you a really nice feature that's on this that you won't find on other automatic waterer valves. So these are actually extremely robust, and they are very, very durable and can withstand a lot of abuse. You'll see that on this cam here that comes out of the valve, you can see the teeth. I don't know if you can see how those stick out into position, and there is stainless steel bolt that is molded into this cam to hold everything into place. So when you go to assemble this, here's the extension arm, and you can see that those teeth will go right into the recessed version of this extension arm right here. So find the position where you want to place it, and you'll see that those go together. And then you will need a Phillips screwdriver to put the screw into the arm. You actually want to place it into the section that doesn't have the bolt, because you want it to grip on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and position this here. And it may take a couple different adjustments, but I'll show you an easy way to get that done once we have this into place. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this, and you'll see that it's put together and it's not going to move anywhere. So then you want to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the float. And these are very, very heavy, which is the reason for all this additional design features here to hold everything into place. So go ahead and position that into place, and you'll want to do this from the underside here. Use your Phillips screwdriver to screw it into place. And again, you may have to adjust this once you figure out what your water level is and everything. So there it is assembled. And this will move up and down as the water level goes up and down, and it needs to refill. But let's say that you need to adjust this. You need to change the position of the float or change the position of the extension arm, and you don't want to shut the water off. You can actually move this device towards the valve, just like that, and that shuts it off. You'll be able to shut the water off in this position so that you don't have to shut the water off at any other external valve. Very easy for maintenance, and making sure that you have everything exactly where you want it. So again, this is the Jobe Rojo Compact Valve, the DLT, which includes the long tail here, this washer here, so you can install it easily. If you have any other questions, let us know. You can find these at petcosupply.com. That's PETECO supply.com, where we carry a wide variety of Jobe valves and parts and other automatic waterer parts.